Do you want to take a bite?
Sure. Okay. Here, like for the two. Okay. Alrighty. I'm so excited. That looks beautiful. Look at your plating. Like yelling at me. Tomato down. Kongguksu.
Oh.
Okay. Salt Bay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. It looks so beautiful. Oh wow. Ingredients now after the beautiful plate.
It's so pretty. Oh, 맛있다.
Nice. I like that the milk's like kind of thicker.
시원해.
Oh yeah.
I think like my parents' region in Korea they put salt and then the Busan and that region puts other way around. My parents' region puts sugar
Oh,
and that Busan area puts salt.
interesting. Okay.
And they both think the other ones are weird.
Sweetener this time.
Oh yeah, because it started with just the salt first. Good strategy.
You get to try your parents' region style. Very different. But it's good too. Okay, I don't think I can choose which one I like better, sugar or salt, but I think I can always just have two bowls.
Yeah, why not?
I realize this is kind of like my dessert noodle now.
Your dessert noodle.
I have the salty one, and then I have my...
I'll have to finish off with the sweet one.
Yeah. What is he doing? 6 points. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. 2, 3. Boom. Yes! Oh, this is restaurant broth.
맛있어.
This is one of those danger meals where it's easy to like just knock it back. So I kind of take my time. Hi. Yippee.
There's some.
Oh no. That is beautiful. I have to do this.
Happy Friday. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Friday.
맛있어. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
That's a nice job.
Oh my god, right?
Yes, I do wanna see you with this $200 steak. This
Cheapest.
Yeah.
one, yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
아 씨.
이것들을 이렇게 직접 사주시죠. 갑자기요. 손님 길게 보시는 거 같죠? 또 우리 중에서도 한정 스타트도 정말 다음 주에 진짜 집중해서 제가 모두 와주세요.
나는요.
Oh, I can put the rest of the awesome hairs.
수도복 주셨는데 이상한 아파서 수의사 선생님 앞에서 그만할까?
That's manual work right there.
Oh yeah.
부르고 싶어서 불러도 되는 거 이거 가도 될까? 안 돼.
It looks like the nice. Oh, peachy.